Okay, so I'm going to run you through my single dosing workflow for the Atom 75. As you can see, I have a 3D printed funnel with all the right, fittings to go on the 75 and create a very good seal up here. Also, this is a bellows that I purchased on Amazon. I'm going to post the link below. So this just goes here and the funnel's here, sits here. I also removed the clamp from the Atom 75 because that kept just too many grounds. So I keep my beans pre-weighted and frozen using Weber Workshop's bean cellar. So let's just see how this works. So we have 18.1 here. You must add some water here, like 1 spray should be enough. And, you just move it afterwards. And this goes up here. I normally just do a quick wipe here just to make sure there's no humidity left. And we put it over here. All right, normally a single push should be enough. Sometimes you need 2, but most of the time 1 should be enough. All right, tiny bit more. There you go, pretty good. Okay, do some flow profiling with this particular bean. So let's see if you can get a shot of how it's coming out there. With this particular bean, I like to cut it a bit on the short side, so around 33, 32, 33 grams. That gives a very, very nice acidity, which I greatly prefer over anything else for this particular kind of bean. Very nice color, and this glass is just amazing to get all the very nice aroma from coffee in general. So, well, I hope you like my workflow. Thank you.